Pauline Gaston, o mas kilala bilang Ponggay, ang pinaka-energetic yet one of the prettiest faces in Philippine volleyball. Nasa dugo na talaga ni Ponggay ang pagiging atleta dahil sa basketballista nitong ama na si Fritz Gaston at ang pagiging beauty queen naman ng mother niya na si Duday Gaston. Ponggay is endowed with strong aesthetics as well as athletic attributes, kaya alam mo na kung saan nagmana. At ang hindi mawala-walang legendary hugot ni Coach O sa kanya.
Bitawan mo na! Pag iniwan ka na, huwag mo nang balikan. Diba?
Even though Ponggay is makulit at bibo, di ko rin malilimutan ang mga salitang ito na applicable sa lahat.
They'll have a lot to say when you're doing good, and they have a lot to say when you're doing bad. So we just have to learn how to listen to the ones that matter.